About this item 2-in-1 essential, DUKABEL USB to auxiliary adapter supports listening and speaking, dual functions. Easily adds a 3.5mm TRRS auxiliary port, integrated microphone in and audio out interface, to your devices. This stereo to USB adapter can work for your PC, PS4, PS5, laptop, desktop, and more. Asterisk do not work for TV/car/PS3/truck etc. 0 to 1 setup. The DUKABEL USB audio adapter is super easy to set up. Simply plug and play. The USB port will be automatically recognized by system in seconds. No driver download required, no external power required. Point 1 for all compatibility. USB audio jack adapter supports CTIA standards TRRS headsets and microphones. No system limitation. Support Windows 10/8.1/8